Hey everyone, it is Thanksgiving evening and I wanted to give you a quick peek-see at a few items I picked up at Trader Joe's. I try not to come too often, but today I'm here for some Christmas goodies, so let's go in and check it out. They have some gorgeous winter greenery options just inside the front door at great prices. I wanted to get a few items to put back for little Christmas gifts for the office kind of thing. And also a couple items I wanted to try that I saw some YouTubers going over. The selection of Christmas goodies is incredible. They keep them all above the coolers. I couldn't even make up my mind. I walked this aisle for about 5 minutes. Their free-range organic turkeys are $2.49 a pound, pricey. But if you hit Sprouts and TJ's tomorrow morning, you might be able to get them on sale. I was really hoping they'd have these Brussels sprout stems. I've never grown sprouts. I've never bought them on the stem. I did try to get some footage in the stores, you'll see, but it was so busy. I got there right about 5, just a half hour later after I left. I'm glad I got the heck out of there when I did. But I am sure a lot of you are sitting in your kitchen or standing in your kitchens prepping stuff for tomorrow's feast, which I'm definitely going to get on here in a minute as well. But meanwhile, let me swing you around and show you my little Trader Joe haul. Okay, here we go. One of the things that I most wanted to get today was this stem of fresh Brussels sprouts. If any of you have ever bought a fresh stem and kept them in the fridge for a few days, please comment down below and let me know how well these held up for you over time. I mean, that's a big stalk. I plan on cutting them off of the stalk and just putting them in a Ziploc bag. And then I picked up some green beans. They still had some of this butternut squash ravioli. And OMG, that stuff's so good. I said, yeah, I'm gonna do that one more time. And then I'm completely out of little snacky crackers other than wheat thins. So I picked up some of those. And the garlic and herb ready-made pizza dough in their cooler section is something I now pick up every time I go. Not that I go that often, but it's only $1.69. And oh, you guys, if you've never tried this, you know I like to cook and I like to bake for sure. And I've made my own pizza crust for years now, but there's just something about the way this is flavored and it bakes up to perfection. Highly recommend. So one for tonight, one for the freezer, and I'm hoping it'll thaw out well. I'll let you know down the road after I give that a try. And then I got some buttery Chardonnay. That's, you know, about $17 for that bottle, but it's my special first ever Thanksgiving without cooking for a bunch of people, so I'm just making myself happy. And some apple cider vinegar. That was about $2.99. It's not a very big bottle, but I'm down to not much, and I figured I'll get it while I was there. Now these things are what I picked up for gifts, although I did get one of these little boxes of truffles, as you can see, for myself, and I may have eaten 2 of those on the way home. They were delicious. This is what they look like in the package. So that's a great little gift to tuck into for a Christmas present, kind of a little extra. And then these jingle jangles, all kinds of raving going on. I haven't tried these. I would love to, but I'm gonna give these away as gifts. One for the Secret Santa gift at work and one to my girlfriend, but that's what they have inside. Not quite sure what all that is, but it looks amazing. These were $9.99 each. 1.6 pounds of goodies in there. Normally I make that kind of thing every year, you know, Christmas candies of various kinds, but my family's all in Kansas City and I'm flying home to see them this year, so I won't be making Christmas goodies except if it's like maybe some sugar-free pistachio fudge. And then these Danish butter cookies, I take those to the off. These looked interesting. I wanted their rosemary spice nuts, but they are out. Those came out a couple of weeks ago. And these, I tried a couple on the way home and they're okay, but I would not buy them again. They need a lot more herby flavor because it's just sort of like barely there and just kind of throw things off, in my opinion. I'm not that picky, just kind of nah. But I might try throwing some of my own herbs and spices on there and roasting them for about 5 minutes in the oven. It seasons them up enough for me to really enjoy them, because they weren't that expensive. I think they were $4.99 for a big bag of mixed nuts, 10 ounces. That's not bad. Let's go on with non-food stuff here. I guess this is food in a way. Vanilla bean paste. I have never bought this before, but I'm interested to try that. And then some toiletry items. Argan oil for my hair, marula oil for my face, and some cocoa body butter. I've never tried any of these. I recently watched a YouTube video about Gua-Sha. That's sort of like massaging yourself with those little kind of marble tools or wooden tools. And you need oil to do that, or this body butter. Body butter was $6.99. I think the argan oil was $2, and the marula face oil somewhere around in there. So this was a pretty pricey run between the cost of the wine and these Christmas items. This was $102 for this little bit of stuff here. Let's call it 40 in the gift section and 20 in the toiletry section, maybe 21-ish. But it was fun popping in there, and I appreciate you guys popping in and giving my video a watch. Like and subscribe if you are interested in this kind of a format. I hope you all are looking forward to your Thanksgiving and are spending it with all the people you most love. And have a blessed and safe holiday.